The ILPS-19 series of LVIT linear shock travel sensors from the Sensor Connection are easy to install, professional-grade, absolute position measurement devices that are designed to deliver accurate and reliable shock travel measurements even in extreme heat and high vibration applications. These ruggedized LVIT linear position sensors feature rod ends for ease of installation and can be easily mounted next to the shock absorber to provide feedback of shock and tire performance. These weather-resistant sensors feature a wear-free inductive sensing element that is rated to over 110 million cycles. The ILPS-19 series is the go-to choice for professional racing teams, R&D test labs, and enthusiasts. Additional motorsports applications for the ILPS-19 include measuring linear displacement of position changes in automotive components such as accelerator pedals, throttle position, and transmission linkages. The ILPS-19 series of professional LVIT shock travel sensors are in stock now and ready to ship worldwide. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now at thesensorconnection.com. Speak to an experienced application engineer. The Sensor Connection, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.